Hello friend, if you are learning React Native or planning to learn React Native, then this video is very important to you. Today, I will explain you the most important and frequently used command of React Native. The first command is React Native init project name. React-native space init space project name. This command is used to create new project in React Native. In this command, our project name is demo. When we execute this command, it will create necessary project structure. It also installs the required package for our project. When we execute this command, kindly we have to ensure that our computer must be connected with the internet. After typing this command, we have to press enter key. The next command is emulator command. Emulator command is used to display all the AVDs installed on this machine or execute a particular AVD. If you want to display all the AVDs, we have to type the following command: emulator space hyphen list hyphen AVDs and press the enter key. So it will display the installed AVD on this machine. So my machine has only one AVD, therefore it display only one AVD. If you want to execute or run this AVD, we have to type the following command: emulator space hyphen AVD, and after the AVD we have to type the AVD name. My AVD name is my AVD, therefore I have to type my AVD and press the enter key. So when we execute this command, it will launch the Android virtual device on my computer. The next command is React Native run Android. This command is used to run React Native app on our machine. After typing this command, we have to press the enter key. The next command is npm command. Npm command is used to install the packages or library into the React Native. For this, we have to type the following command: npm space install space hyphen g space. After g, we have to specify the package name or library name. For example, React Native elements. So in my case, I am installing React Native Elements package or library on my computer. After typing this command, press the enter key. Kindly ensure that your PC must be connected with the internet. When this command successfully run, it will display a confirmation message. Like in this confirmation message, we can see that the current version is 3.4.2 and this command installed 21 packages into the node_module folder. The next command is used to uninstall library or package from the React Native. For this, we have to type the npm uninstall -g. After G, we have to specify library or package name. For example, my library or package name is React Native Element, React-Native hyphen elements and press the enter key. So here you can see that we have successfully removed 21 packages from the node_module folder. If you want to access React Native development environment related information like what is the version of operating system, what is the version of Android, what is the API you have installed on your system, what is the version of React Native, Yarn and NPM, then we have to use the following command: react-native space info and press the enter key. It will take some time. Here you can see that this command return complete information like what is the version of operating system, what is the CPU, memory, what is the version of Node, Yarn and NPM. Similar, it also return the Android related information like what is the Android SDK installed on this machine, what is the IDE available on this machine, what is the version of Java, React Native version. So this is very important command to get information related to React Native development environment. The next command is used to restart the Node.js server. For this we have to type the following command: react-native space start and press the enter key. When this command successfully run, it displays two options: reload the app or developer menu. If we want to reload our app, we have to press the R. Here you can see that our app is reloading. If we want to display developer menu, then we have to press the D. Here you can see that our developer menu is visible into the emulator. Sometimes our code is correct, but we have not received output as per our expectation. In such case, we have to clear the cache of Node.js server. For this, we have to type the following command: react-native space start space double hyphen reset hyphen cache and press the enter key. So this command is used to clear the cache and restart the Node.js server again. Sometimes we have a requirement to uninstall all the apps from the Android virtual device. For this we have to use the following command: emulator space hyphen avd space avd name, which is my avd space hyphen wipe data. So this command is used to reset our avd. Press the enter key to execute the command.